revision multiple choice questions, maybe important points there, and also fill in the blanks. So it is help to your PT second studies. So in this topic, transport, we already knew about the transport, what is the means of transport and why we need the transport, because they carry the raw materials one place to another place, and again they product materials they carry to the markets, and also the carry peoples one place to another place. So we need the transport. We can classify it in three types of transporting: water transport, and land transport, and then air transport. So in land transport we can now two types again: railways and roadways. And also water transport, it is the very cheaper transport from other two transport: air transport that one, and land transport, because they need engine system and also petrol, diesel. So economically we comparing the sea route, it means water transport, it is very cheaper than others transport. So then we know about the sea routes, they will connect to the other continents, subcontinents, and then it is India has long coastlines, it is also help to marketing, or they transport goods one place to another place. We know air transport is the fastest means of transport, and then it is very short timing take when we want to reach another places. And then we know this air transport, the word became very short, because today's we know which place we want to go there, other countries, easily we can reach there. And then all three types of transport have disadvantages, because there may be air pollutions or water pollutions or soil pollutions, and then some accidents when the people lost their awareness. So everything when we use within the limitations, we can take that help from those transports. Let's see here multiple choice questions. Now here write direct answers. See here children, highways are also known as dash. Highways are we know as expressways, or we call that freeways, because they are width and broad roads. So we call them expressways. So the most important means of the India, what is the means of important transport of India? So we call that railways, because India has largest railways. So we call that the most important means of India's is the dash, railways. And then oil is carried by the special ship, we called dash. So oil carried, oil is carried, oil in large amount, the oil carried special ships, we can use the special ships, those we call them the name tanker. Then the largest network of railways in the world, the largest network of railways, where that is in USA. We have the largest network of the railways in the world. So see here, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The fastest means of transport, we know the fastest means of transport, we call that airways. So the underwater railways, tunnel recall how the modernity developed. We now underwater railways tunnels links the France with the United Kingdom. They carry the goods underwater because in the sea route, that is also in the railways. And broad and straight roads are called broad and straight. Those are we called already that one expressways or freeways. We call that freeways or expressways. Then boats fitted with the steam engine are known as ship. Which boats fitted with the steam engine known as we called ships. Then India is connected Nepal and Bangladesh. India, which place connected with the Nepal and Bangladesh by where, that is Siliguri. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct answers. First one here. The term communication is derived from the dash language. Which language communication word derived from? That is right answer, Latin. Latin word. We take that one. This word, Latin language. Second one. Letters and parcels are sent and received through a post office, because we can use in this method when we want to send or received any parcels or letters through from the post office. Then third one, wired phones are called, what is that? Landlines. Wireless phones, we call those are mobile phones. So then fourth one, a means of mass communication. What is? Letters, newspaper, telephones. So see here, the means of mass communication, because so many peoples involved here, because at a time or in more peoples read the newspaper. So we call that one mass communication. And then fifth one, email can be sent through by the computer, because TV only we can use for watching programs, and radio also we can use only for the listening the programs. So right answer is computer. So next one, see here, fill in the blanks. The two types of communications are dash and dash. Two types of communications are personal. One is personal communication and another one is mass communication. Because in personal communication we can use phone, telephone and letter, email, like this one. But in mass communication, more than people. Here, like that newspaper and TV channels and medias, other mass medias we can see here. Then second one, dash are a popular means of direct communication. Mobile phones are popular means of direct communication, because nowadays so many people they can use mobile phones, so it is very popular means of direct communication. Because what people he want to talk with other people, the timing directly he talk with him. So then third one, we can send printed matter or pictures through a fax machine, because when we want to can send printed matters or pictures through a we can there use fax machine. Then fourth one, dash and dash were the first means of communication, because in first before invention of the mobile phones or internet or computer, whatever, we can use first means of communication we call the books and journals, because they spread the matter to the people. And then dash or means of mass communication that spread social among the people, because advertisements are means of mass communication. At a time they can reach the people and spread social awareness among the people. For example, no smoking, it is injurious for health. So these like advertisement reach the people in at a time. So next one, see, match the columns. Radio. Radio. Who invented this one? Marconi. Guglielmo Marconi. That one. Television. Who invented this one? John Lagio Bird. Then live programs. We can take the help of satellites, and documents are sent by the fax machine. Printed documents, suppose we can get the printed documents, those documents software in send that one from the fax machine. The next D, give one word for the followings. First one, a popular and handy means of direct communication. That one, mobile phone. Second one, a means of reaching a large number of people at the same time. That one, mass communication or newspaper. Newspaper and mass communication at a time they reached large number of people. So, third one, the fastest means of communication in the world, internet or mobile phone, because internet nowadays we can need that one, fastest means of communication, and also direct communication we call that mobile phones, that is also fastest means of communication. So fourth one, the network of computer linking the whole world, that is called internet, because the network of computer linking the whole world at a time. Okay children, next we will discuss